So one of the things that I enabled on this assignment, Amigo Brothers Choice Board, or in the second module, Dark They Were in Golden-Eyed Choice Board, is that you could respond in text, like type in your response, or you could respond by creating a video or an audio recording of yourself. And I've had a wonderful student ask, like, how do I respond with the video or audio recording? And so I'm going to show you. Now, my assignment, I'm in student view, so I'm going to be the test student in this. And because I've already submitted this assignment, my first submission was basically, I don't like this assignment, I don't want to do it. So then, therefore, the teacher responded, too bad, do it anyway. And so now I have to resubmit my assignment. So if you're resubmitting assignments, you're going to click on this button that says Resubmit. And it's going to give you this text entry box. Now, if your teacher only elected to do text entry, then you would just be able to type in here. So I could type in my answer, which that's, of course, not a great answer. Or if your teacher has enabled you to use media, like an audio or a video recorder, then you can, you'll see that there's another tab up here. I can use that link to submit. But I can also just, like, right here, see where it says record and upload media? I click on that little button, and it's going to give me a box. It's not recording me yet. I can make sure that my mic is on. I can also integrate my webcam so that I can, use gestures or signs or whatever. I can also just say no video, which will then give me a recording. So when I hit start recording, I will just say my answer into the recorder. I'm going to have it well planned out so that I'm not fumbling around with my words. I might have some visuals if I'm using the webcam. If not, I can just use audio. Maybe I play a little piece of the song that I think should be on the soundtrack. When I'm done, I'm going to hit finish. And then you can title it. So like test student response, because I'm the test student. Or you could probably just title it with your name or what you're going to say. And then you're going to hit save. And it'll show up right here. Don't forget to submit your assignment. And then your teacher will go back and regrade it and hopefully give you a much better grade. So remember, if your teacher has enabled you to use something other than just typing, that tab will be up here where you can get an outside source. But I think it's just easiest to use record and upload media right here. And then it all stays right here within this rich content editor box. Hope that helps. I hope some of you are brave enough to try to record your assignment. But if not, I'm sure you're going to do just fine typing it in. Thanks for listening.